Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start in the Shortcuts app because this is where automation lives. Open it and tap Automations. Once done, choose Create Personal Automation and pick a trigger. Time of day or battery level works best. You want to use battery level if your aim is automatic power saving. Set the slider to the percent you prefer. Make sure low power mode is toggleable on your device so Shortcuts can switch it on. This avoids permission hiccups later. Now you add the actions that actually flip low power mode. Tap Add Action, search Scripting, then choose Set Low Power Mode and set it to On. To avoid accidental triggers, use an If block. If battery level is less than your threshold, then set Low Power Mode. Once the actions look right, disable Ask before running so it runs without confirmation. This ensures seamless switching. You do this because manual prompts defeat automation. You want it hands-off. Finish by tapping Done to save the automation, then force run it with the play button in the automation screen to confirm behavior. Watch the battery icon and check settings battery to verify low power mode engaged. If it didn't trigger, make sure Ask before running is off. Shortcuts has background permissions, and background app refresh is enabled. If issues persist, reboot the phone and run the automation again. That often clears transient permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.